With visual components, now we have a better tool with visualization, so we can all see the same thing and understand that it's in 3D and it's moving. So it's very clear for everyone what we intend to build. For us at the sales department here at SEJFO, we need to sell the idea to the customer. The customer needs to understand that we understand them and we look at the same problem. Before, when we used CAD and PowerPoint, it left a great deal of interpretation.
Before, we kind of guessed the robot cycle times from experience. We didn't get the kind of quality and safety in our proposal regarding selection of robots, selection the layout areas and safety issues.
10 years ago, you could just show a 2D drawing and everyone would understand that. But now you have to have it in 3D, otherwise you're not communicating clearly enough. Visual components helps us to communicate both internally and externally so that everyone has the same view of what is supposed to be done.
It's so easy to make the layouts, so we could start with people that are not very experts in visual components, just to make a rough layout, and then we can go to the more experts and go do the visualization animations. So we can have like several steps where we can be quicker on each step. We use a lot of more videos now, and we also use the virtual reality together with the visual components to get the customer really into the 3D environment.
You can rapidly iterate and you can have multiple concepts really fast, much higher fidelity, and so we can see a lot of more risks or challenges, and we can then mitigate those. Our customers are very pleased with the quality of the videos and images. They can recognize that this is what the automation solution would look like in our factory floor. So they get a sense of familiarity to the product that they have not yet purchased from us. You have the potential with the software to go really far and then have more of a clear thread from sales to shop floor.
What we can see is the feedback from the customer in the quoting is now it's top-notch. And they use our material in their internal presentations to drive the project forward. That helps us a lot in closing deals. This kind of setting a new standard for what is expected by a customer to receive in this kind of quoting. And we're at the moment in the front, and we will keep that way.